नित्यानन्देश्वर महासदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome every one of you sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. If I am coming to satsang every day, you have a good news. If I am not coming to satsang for continuously for some times, you are going to have a great news. Just today I was telling that body is going through such high elevated samadhi, just like power manifestation, science, something completely next level is going to be revealed in next few days. I can see body manifesting that. The moment I came and sat in the seat, the heaven started showering. The exact moment, if you heard the sound, that was the moment I sat in the seat and then entered the samadhi. And this is not rainy season, you should know. In India, especially in Bangalore, it's a summer. Supposed to be summer. And I know for sure the world is going to get something wonderful, great in next few days. Almost last 48 hours I have not slept. And I don't feel like sleeping. I don't know what is going on in the body. Last 48 hours, if you are observing, I am online. Not only not sleeping, I don't know what is. Not feeling like resting, just beautifully. It's manifesting. Actually, today I was sitting in samadhi and trying to download what to tell you all. Only one thing I had as a revelation, because now very soon, just like power manifestation, the next level, things are going to be revealed to the world. I can give you something to prepare yourself to receive it. Understand? Whenever you bring stability and commitment to the life, see, what is life for you? Everyone who is involved with it. You are nothing but you plus the people with whom you are involved. All of them put together is your life. Bring stability with all those people. What you declare to them, be straight to that. Understand, whenever you bring stability with the life, means everyone who is involved in your life, 99% of unnecessary confusions and distractions are removed. It's like I am not asking you to take responsibility. Listen clearly. I am not asking you be like a Indian daughter-in-law who is responsible for everything till she dies and after she is dead also. No, I am not asking you that. I am only asking, be clear. Bring stability, means what you can, what you can't, let it be straight. They should know they cannot enter into your boundary, and you should know you will not cross your boundary. A clear integrity with the people with whom your life is involved or you are involved. This is what I will do, this all I can't do. This is where we both meet, this is where we both separate. This is where we are together, this is where we depart. If you bring the stability, understand, for manifesting Sadashiva in you. Sadashiva is not demanding you to give up properties. He is not asking you to give up relationships. He is not asking you to give up comforts. He is not asking you to give up luxuries. He is only asking you to give up confusions. It's very straight. By bringing the clear declaration with everyone involved in your life, what they should expect from you, what you expect from them, almost 90% of the confusions are burnt. Today when I was sitting and trying to download what should be the instruction to all of you to prepare yourself to receive this next level manifestation of Sadashiva. This is what precisely I got downloaded. And I also got a beautiful Sadashiva Mandala downloaded. It is like not only the mandala with which you can connect with Mahadeva and worship, it's also a beautiful temple structure. I am going to make the temple for Seattle. It will be made in wood and silver coated. I'm going to make that and send it to Seattle, because when I saw inside Nataraja dancing. Maybe this is the original mandala with which the principle of Chidambaram was made. So because I saw Nataraja inside, I decided that I'll make the temple for Seattle. It will be done in teak wood and silver coated, means silver plated, like this throne. And inside the Nataraja will be established. I think Seattle Nataraja is large size murti, 13 feet. For him we have to make, means I think the temple has to be something like a 25-30 feet tall. Alright, we will make it. That's there, we can make it. And Mahadeva very clearly revealed, to manifest the space and powers of Sadashiva, you are not expected to give up on properties, wealth, relationships, comforts, luxury. No. He doesn't expect you to give up on anything. Just give up confusions, instability, constant instability. Bring clarity and commitment, intensity to what you are doing, excelling in what you are doing. So it is all about intensity. It's all about intensity. That's all. So maybe take these few lines as today's message. Give up confusions by bringing stability in everyone involved in your life. Integrity to everyone involved in your life removes instability and ends confusion. Essence of today's satsang: bring integrity in everyone involved in your life. That removes instability and ends all the confusions. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Maha Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.